Bonjour and buenos dias. Bonjour is French for hello and good morning, and buenas tardes means it's Spanish for good morning. Miguel here, and I'm gonna be showing you something for you guys to like. And I'm making videos from YouTube, of course. And I got something for you to like. I'll show you something that I bought from Goodwill in Merced. Look at this. It's the Emerson Research alarm clock radio, of course. And it's from, I don't know what year this came out, but that's the radio, of course. Of course. And it has the incorrect time. Of course. We're gonna see the radio or something. I gotta turn this down because I don't want to get copyrighted though. This one has FM and this one has AM. So we're gonna leave it to FM actually. So yep, that's the radio that I purchased. And it costed me $5 for it. So yeah, that's the review of this radio. So I'll see you guys next time.